In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Notion 2026 Full Guide. If your workspace feels chaotic, endless tabs, scattered notes, and manual summaries, this walkthrough will simplify everything. With Notion 3.2's Native Model Context Protocol, or MCP, you can securely bridge ChatGPT directly into your pages and databases. I'll guide you through preparing your workspace, authorizing the official connector, running live queries from ChatGPT, generating content inline in Notion, and using guardrails for safe bulk updates. First, open Notion on desktop or in your browser. In the left sidebar, click Settings and Privacy. When the modal opens, switch to the Connections tab. This is where you manage which external AI tools can interface with your workspace. If you're on a business or enterprise plan, make sure external AI apps are permitted to attach to your workspace index. Keep your security tight by enabling only what you need. You can always adjust or revoke access here later. Next, link ChatGPT to Notion using the official connector. In a new browser tab, sign into your ChatGPT Pro or developer account and head to the Explore GPTs or Plugin Utility section. Find the Notion MCP connector and click Connect. You'll be taken through a secure OAuth flow. Choose the exact Notion workspace you want, review the scopes carefully, and limit access to the specific root folders or primary databases you actually use. Select Read and Update Permissions only where necessary, then confirm by clicking Allow Access. This locks in the token sync while keeping your private content out of scope. With the link active, you can query your workspace from ChatGPT using natural language. Ensure the Notion connector is enabled in your prompt bar. Then try something like act as an elite operations analyst, scan my connected Notion workspace, find all unchecked to-do checkboxes across active project pages, group them by page title, flag overdue items, and present the results in a clean markdown table. You'll get a structured view without digging through nested pages. Back in Notion, generate content directly on the canvas, create a new page, or click into an empty block, press spacebar or type / followed by AI to open the inline prompt. Use the model dropdown to switch to your preferred ChatGPT engine, such as GPT 5.2. Then prompt, generate a comprehensive structural layout blueprint for a technical project roadmap with checklist properties for phases, dependencies, and alpha review goals. Edit the output in place to match your tone. For bulk changes, turn on plan mode, highlight the target database rows, open the AI console, and enable plan mode to preview a detailed blueprint of proposed edits. Review, confirm, and proceed only when the plan looks correct, protecting your formatting and credit usage. Hand off the tedious tasks to ChatGPT and keep your focus on real progress.